In today's video, we're answering an important question. Can you log in with a Discord token? The short answer is no, you should not. Discord does not provide an official token login feature for users, and trying to use browser console scripts, modified clients, or third-party tools to log in with a token can put your account at serious risk. If you're trying to access your account, the safest and only recommended method is to use Discord's normal sign-in process with your email, phone number, and password, plus two-factor authentication if you have it enabled. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more safe tech tips and tutorials. Now, let's break this down clearly. A Discord token is a sensitive authentication value that is tied to account access. In the wrong hands, it can be used to impersonate a user, which is exactly why sharing it or pasting it into random tools is dangerous. Many websites, scripts, and videos claim they can log you in instantly with a token, but these methods are not official, and they often exist to steal your account or install malicious code. So if you see a tool asking for your Discord token, treat that as a major red flag. If your goal is to get back into your account, open Discord and choose the standard login option. Enter your registered email or phone number and your password. If Discord asks for a verification code, check your email, authenticator app, or phone for the code and complete the login that way. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password link and follow Discord's recovery steps. That is the proper way to regain access without putting your account at risk. If you're already logged in somewhere and you're worried that your token or session may have been exposed, take action immediately. Change your Discord password right away. This will typically invalidate active sessions and make it harder for anyone else to keep using your account. Then review your connected devices, check your authorized apps, and sign out of any sessions you do not recognize. If you use a shared computer, also clear the browser data and remove any suspicious extensions or modified clients. Another important thing to remember is that Discord's terms of service can be violated by unauthorized login methods. Even if a token login appears to work, it can still lead to account limitations, security issues, or permanent access problems. It is never worth the risk for a shortcut. If you're a developer or a power user, the safest approach is to use official Discord documentation, verified OAuth flows, and approved integrations rather than trying to authenticate in unsupported ways. That keeps your account secure and keeps you on the right side of platform rules. So to answer the question directly one more time, no, you should not log in using a Discord token. Use the official login process, protect your credentials, and avoid any third-party tool that promises a token-based shortcut. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next safe and practical tutorial.